Hello, Gull Lake. It's Wednesday, April 29th. Hope you're having a great day. It's getting nice out and things are starting to green up outside. Want to congratulate you. We have about 97%, close to 97% of all the students at Gull Lake Middle School are online and working through the Google Classroom. So if you know of a friend that's talking about not logging in or not doing any work, just encourage them. That's what teammates and classmates do, is just encourage them, help them out if they need it. Speaking of technology, good news is we can help out with some internet connection. Unfortunately, you have to come to the high school, but they have some boosters now at the high school. So you and your family could drive to the high school parking lots, the big lots, is we have boosters there. So you can log on anytime if your internet connection is slow, and everybody can log in. It's automatically accessible, and you would just open up your computer and you're on just as if you were in school. So use it. It's a great resource for you. We hope we could do more, but just use what we have and we'll make it do. If you have any questions, contact your teachers or me. I'd love to hear from you. With that, be safe, stay healthy, and go Gull Lake.